So in this video, I will tell you how you can create your own group in your Instagram application. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Then you need to click on three lines at the top corner. Then you can just click on this option new group. Now you can select any person you want to join this group. So you can select anyone if you want to join. For example, I'm just selecting any person. So for example, I'm selecting uh, let me select some person first. So for example, I selected two people, so I can just click on the arrow. Then I can just name this group anything. Then you can just click on tick. This group is created. Now you can go to the group and you can see you three peoples are in the group. So this is how you can create any group in your Telegram application up to 2 lakh members. Okay, so this is how the group features work in the Telegram.